fellows, pull your hatchets and put them in the air, because it's time for somebody to die in this bitch. Come on. And then shoot that bitch. Uh-oh, start getting the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round. All right, pull your hatchets out. Uh-oh, here come the po-po, too much murder. Find out that we the shit. Come on, cause we the shit.